And also, I wanted to show you how to get into your, if you need support, how to get into your customer portal. So let's go ahead and close these. Let's go back over to that one. Let's go to, looks like I might have closed that. Okay, let's go back into a web browser. I'll go to MecSoft.com. Okay. And to get into your customer portal, just go up here to the login button. Now this, as I mentioned, that email that you receive that has your license code also has your login credentials. So you need to pay attention to that email and keep it safe. So we're going to go to the login. We're going to go to the customer login area, and it goes to what's called our Visual Serve customer portal. Okay, so every user has their own login. So our example license is already populated here. So we're going to pick the gotcha. So make sure you're not a robot, and we're going to log in. So now we're in the front face of the Visual Serve customer portal. Some things to note here. We mentioned that we have a CAMJam self-training video archive and guide. So you can download it from this button, and I'll show you that in a second. Now, next up real quick, I want to tell you about our CAMJam 2024 video guide. I mentioned it a little bit earlier, and I wanted to show that to you real quick. Our CAMJam product is something that you get free of charge by being active on your AMS annual maintenance subscription. And basically it's we have hundreds of videos, and there's a PDF guide that helps you interface with those videos. So let's show you that real quick. So here we've got, if you recall, when we talked about and showed you the Visual Serve customer portal, and I mentioned that there's a button there to download your CAMJam archive and guide. When you download that, you'll get this folder right here, CAMJam 2024, and it'll have these files in it. It's got bonus guides, and it's got files that you can use to practice programming. It's got your quick start guides in there as well. And it also has your CAMJam archive, your zip file, okay? And this is the file that you open to actually, get to the CAMJam, okay? So the CAMJam guide, the PDF guide, is right here. Let's show you that real quick. Let's drag this over. Okay, so this, if we make this a little bit smaller, okay, okay. So this is your CAMJam training guide, and you'll see that it's got all these topics over here on the left. It has all kinds of videos in here. For example, let's go up to what's new in 2024. So it's got topics that you can select that will go directly to our YouTube channel, and you can watch the video directly from that point. It'll go exactly to where you need to go. And for example, also we were talking about the different modules. So you got all kinds of videos on the mill module, all kinds of videos on the turn module, etc., etc. And each one of these links, as I mentioned, goes directly to a particular video and tells you how to do things. So if you're active on your AMS, just log into your AMS customer Visual Serve customer portal and select the button to download your CAMJam training guide, and you will get this guide right here. go to the very top. And I mean, this guide is massive. It's 176 pages. It's all indexed. I mean, you can look up anything that you want to know about our products and directly to the video at the location that talks about that particular topic. Very popular resource. So I highly recommend that you stay active on your AMS so you can get access to the CAMJam 2024 resource guide. Okay, thanks.